STEM subjects have usually been a hard nut for young students to crack. In the last years, several warning signals have raised concerns inside the European Union institutions, and now they are promoting initiatives to increase the STEM uptake by 2015. This is the seed of our Juxtalearn project motivation. We aim to provide teachers and students pedagogical and technological tools that provoke student interest and curiosity in science and technology. Our keystone is engaging young learners through creative filmmaking and editing, complemented by visualizing, sharing, and discussion activities. These performances are based on juxtaposition of concepts. For example, we can use Angry Birds application to explain the parabolic motion. Students' learning is supported through a reflective process that involves several stages. Let's see the Juxtalearn learning pathway in detail. First, the teacher identifies the key building blocks of the subject that we call threshold concepts. Then, the teacher creates an accurate representation of a standard teaching activity based on the threshold concepts and following the same approach that he or she uses in the classroom. Teachers and learners meet in the classroom. Students collaborate with peers to come to a shared understanding of the threshold concepts. Additionally, they are evaluated on threshold concepts of previous knowledge. Learners work on the stumbling blocks that arose from the evaluation. They do activities combining juxtaposition concepts, that is, relating real or imaginary world elements with scientific concepts. These performances are filmed and collaboratively edited by the students themselves. In addition, they compare their videos to the teaching activity representation provided by the teacher. Videos are shared, and all the students can access and watch them at schools or at home on any available device. Peers discuss and comment, both in person and online, the video performances, identifying misconceptions, strengths, and weaknesses. Finally, the teacher evaluates the outcomes of the teaching-learning process by reviewing the videos and any post-assessment results. STEM's understanding is improved thanks to this continuous and creative process where the students reflect about the threshold concepts, both individually and collaboratively, from different perspectives and in different contexts. Juxtalearn project outcomes will not just be a teaching and learning process, but also specific tools that facilitate and empower each stage of the Juxtalearn pathway. We will elaborate STEM threshold concept templates and a taxonomy that will help teachers to identify and describe which threshold concepts are best to be tackled. Also, these pedagogical tools will help to organize representation of the standard teaching activity. This accurate representation will be digitally recorded by means of pen-based input devices. The pencasts can reproduce the handwriting notes as well as the teacher's verbal explanations. Students' knowledge will be assessed by means of an interactive computer-marked assessment system. Juxtalearn will supply a video performance framework that will guide the students on the performance conceptualization and filming process. Also, the editing process will be enhanced using novel software that will run on multi-touch tabletops, allowing collaborative video editing. The resulting videos will be shared on a common online repository from which they can be played. Sharing and discussion will be supported in both physical and online contexts in parallel, using interactive public displays that will foster in situ discussions, and a social video recommendation platform that will ease online debate and video diffusion. Finally, we will provide text network and social network analysis for supporting learners, group recommendations, as well as supervision process for tutors and teachers. All of this together is what is known as Juxtalearn project, and we hope that the result of this long trip will wake the young learners' curiosity and creativity up, and at the end, will benefit them in a better understanding of STEM concepts.